What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, and that is promoting affiliate products using Google pay-per-click. Now when it comes to promoting products using Google pay-per-click ads, there are two major problems. Alright, so number one is that Google hates affiliates and affiliate marketing, so you're not allowed to promote an affiliate link directly in there. So there are ways to get around that, which I'm going to talk about right now. And number two, the second issue with this whole thing is that it can get really expensive. You know, Google pay-per-click, the search ads, are not cheap, so you have to be careful with your money, the way you target people and the way you write your ads, really. And that's what we're going to talk about as well. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to first share the strategy with you so you can get around that affiliate problem, and also I'm going to share another strategy or a tip, a couple of tips really, to explain, to teach you to just have a lower cost per click and just save money at the same time. Save your time really, because you don't want to attract people who are not willing to pay for something. Alright guys, so let's go to my computer and let's talk about this really awesome strategy. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the basic strategy itself, and then I'm gonna show you an example here. Then we're going to talk about the ads also, because that's obviously the important part of it, and I want you to understand what you can do to save money with your PPC ad. Alright, so let's get started. First, let's talk about the funnel. So the funnel is actually simple, yet a little bit, it requires a little bit of work, really, okay? Especially the first part of it. So obviously this is going to be our ads. Let me actually make this blue, okay? So it's going to be our ads. Come on, let me draw it. There you go. So there's going to be our traffic, right? And then what's going to happen is that our traffic from ads is going to come to a pre-sale page, okay? So this is going to be our pre-sale page. This is where we convince someone to buy. Now this is a very important page. Let me tell you why. This page, first of all, needs to be ad friendly. That's very important, okay? So ad friendly, remember this guys, this is very important. So you want to be ad friendly, so a nice headline. This is something I'm working on right now in this example I want to show you. And also you want to have a video. That's really important, okay? You want to have a video, and you want to have some content down below, and two buttons, okay? So two buttons. One is going to be on top of the video. Make this right here. So one's gonna be top of the video, and then one's gonna be in the bottom, like actually below the video. One's gonna be bottom of the page, so the rest is just gonna be content. All right, so this is very important. Now there are a couple of other elements that you need to have on this page. So the thing is, Google doesn't allow landing pages per se, especially landing pages that are, you know, in affiliate marketing business, stuff like that. So you want to be you want to make sure it doesn't look like it. So what you can do is you can have a menu up here. This is stuff that I'm working on right now, but a menu up here, a menu down there in the footer, so you just have a bunch of items, so it looks like a website more than a landing page, you know what I'm saying? So that's very important. And then after this, what you're going to do is you're going to send people to an opt-in page. Now this is another important part. So these buttons that you have here are going to send people to an opt-in page where you can collect leads. Now the idea here is that you don't want to send people directly to a landing page, to an opt-in page, because, well, that's going to bring down the conversions. But when you do that, you create an engagement. So what's going to happen if they opt in to this page? So they put their name and email, right? If they opt in, they're going to engage with the content, anything that comes after it. That's really powerful. This is like an insurance here that ensures that whoever comes in here is going to be effective, is going to be a good lead, hopefully. All right, so that's very important. You don't want like just people to come into a landing page, just drop their information just to see what's on the other side, right? So it's too random. You don't want to do that. So yeah, so now another thing you want to remember, obviously, you know, Google Ads rules is that these two pages need to be on the same website. All right, so this cannot lead to another website. That's very important. These buttons here, they need to be on the same website. So make sure you gotta create your landing page, opt-in page on your own website as well, on your own domain. All right, that's very important. And then after this, it's just because Google cannot see what's after this, you can just send them to the affiliate link where where people learn about this stuff. Again, so what happened was that you engaged them here, right? So that's very important. You engage them here, and then after the engagement, they're ready to learn about this amazing thing that you have for offer. They're gonna see the opt-in page and they're gonna go to the landing page. It's just amazing the way this works. It's just again, gets them ready. So first of all, the leads you generate, okay, so it's very important because every stage matters. Okay, so the leads you generate here, okay, these are going to be good leads, meaning that they're not going to be random people putting random emails. Okay, they're going to be good leads, and after this, again, it doesn't matter if they buy. Well, obviously you made a commission, but if they don't buy, at least you have a good lead. You're building something good. All right, so that's very important. So this is the funnel. Let me show you an example. This is something I'm working on right now. This is the title needs to change, obviously, because this is not ad friendly at all. But as you see, I got the nice video here, and I'm gonna add the menus in a second, but I got the button here. It goes to a page, and then the opt-in page and all that stuff. Again, very simple, guys, very simple. So this is the pre-sale page and then the opt-in page after. Now what I want to show, which is even more important because that's the whole point of what we're doing here, is actually the ad itself. Okay, and this is incredibly important because, well, it doesn't matter if you have the best funnel in the world. If you don't send good traffic, it won't matter. Okay, now let's talk about the ad. Now I'm not going to get into details of Google advertising because that's for another video, but what I want to show you is what I call filtering. Okay, pay attention. This is the most important thing. This is actually a negative thing on your ad. So what it does, it brings down your click-through rate. Fewer people basically are going to click on your ads. Okay, but remember, the idea here is to not get a ton of clicks. The idea here is to get people who are willing to at least consider spending money, because at the end of the day, your goal is to sell something, right? So pay attention. This ad is an example of that I'm setting up for this funnel right now. So again, if you take a look, ClickBank affiliate course, low joining fee of $97. So again, the idea here is to tell them, hey, you're gonna pay something. This is not free. So immediately, I'd say half of people who are not willing to pay, okay, are not going to click this. And the thing is that a lot of people, this is something that we've been testing at, because I asked this personally from people, some of the people, not everyone, but some of the people who bought this, and they said they liked it honestly. That's the thing. So when you are honest in the beginning, like you say, hey, you're gonna pay for this. This is actually very powerful. People see you as a straightforward person, as a straightforward ad. You're not trying to trick, you're not playing games. You're just saying, hey, it's gonna cost this much from the beginning. Very powerful stuff. Very powerful stuff. So again, I'm doing the same thing in the description as well. I'm just saying, hey, the amazing course, $97. If you want, it's yours, right? So again, that's the idea with this ad. This is what I call filtering. Again, I'm not going to talk about keyword research and stuff like that, but that's an important part of your ads. You want to filter bad traffic. Very important. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you want to learn more about this stuff, you can check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to the Gold Masterclass. Now, the thing is, when it comes to promoting affiliate products, there isn't just one way to do it. There are multiple strategies, multiple funnels, multiple ways to do it, and really it depends on that. The way you do it, the strategy you choose depends on the product you promote. The niche, the product itself, like what kind of page is it? Is it a sales way? Is it a video? Is it what? So there's a lot of different stuff that you gotta consider when you're choosing the strategy. So if you want to learn all this stuff in detail, if you want to learn different strategies based on different niches and everything, and also different traffic methods, because there are a lot of ways you can drive traffic, paid and free. In this case, we talked about paid traffic. Paid traffic isn't really a lot of people's favorite subject, but I enjoy it because it's the fastest way to really get sales. but we have a lot of free traffic inside as well. You can definitely check it out. So check out the link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. I look forward to seeing your comments and hearing your questions. If you have anything, or if you want me to make a video about something specific, just let me know. Also, in the Gold Masterclass, by the way, there are a lot of different stuff that you can benefit from. For example, high ticket affiliate program, which is going to pay you big commissions, and also a coach. So you're gonna have a dedicated coach who's gonna help you to just take you through the whole thing. So guys, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.